Hello and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wished that you have a single light that can instantly go from your head to your hand with ease? The Perun series from Olight give you that versatility of a headlamp and a handheld flashlight all in one device. The Mini take it a step further by being ultra compact yet super bright, and this latest edition is no joke. Meet the Perun 3 Mini, a 1250 lumens max output with a 169-yard throw. Work, explore, trail hiking, late night car fixes, camping setups, it's adapt like a chameleon to your day, your task, your rhythm, thanks to the quick release bracket. And now, let's dive into the Swiss army of headlamps and flashlights. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload them. Now let's see what comes in the box. You get the Perun 3 Mini, upgraded lightweight headband and bracket, charging cable, and the manual. Unlike standard headlamp where you can only use them on your head, this compact light can double as a wide-angle flashlight. This is great for people who don't want to carry too much gear or focus on ultra lightweight carry. It's more of a throw light, so it doesn't have much of a flat beam. It has a more noticeable hotspot, powered by a cool white LED, which is perfect to get the maximum visibility out of your headlamp and get sharper detail. Bright, tight, and reliable. 5 white light modes to match all your needs. Double press the power button while the light is on for turbo burst of 1250 lumens, blasting out 169 yards. This is great if you need to see further ahead or even scare off animals, but will step down due to heat and to protect your light. And the opposite, if you just want a little bit of light for reading or searching through your stuff, press and hold the power button while the headlamp is off to get to moonlight mode. This gives you soft 2-lumen beam and 3 red modes for night vision and emergency signaling. All the modes you need right where you need them. Now let's see this bad boy in action. Turbo mode is 1250 lumen and 169-yard throw. It's your maximum output. It runs for 2 minutes before it steps down to 350 lumens and can run for 60 minutes. High mode is 500 lumen, great for lighting up your path and beyond. It also runs for 2 minutes before it steps down to 350 lumens and can run for 75 minutes. Medium mode is 100 lumen, great for walking your dog without disturbing your neighbors and can run for 4 hours and 30 minutes. Low mode is 10 lumens, great for close-up tasks like setting up a camp or fixing things around the house and can run for 30 hours. Moonlight mode is 2 lumens, this is your maximum runtime for white light and can run for 10 days. We also have red high is 45 lumens, great for preserving your vision at night and can run for 150 minutes. Red low is 5 lumens, great for indoor usage when you don't need to disturb your family and can run for 19 days. Red SOS is 45 lumens, great for signaling in case of an emergency. If you're familiar with the previous Perun Mini, the operation is very similar. It's easy to operate with a single button on top of the light, so even if you're wearing gloves or in pitch black darkness, you'll be able to operate it no matter what. Press the power button to turn it on. With the smart memory, it will start on the latest output level you were using, which is very helpful if you need intermittent on and off lighting. And to cycle through the power output, press and hold the power button. It will go low, medium, high, and back to low. Double press the power button while the light is on to get to turbo mode, or press and hold while the light is off for the moonlight mode. Something unique about the Perun 3 Mini and the Perun in general is the timer setting. You can set up how long the light stays on if you only need the light for a short period of time, either 3 minutes or 9 minutes. Just double press and hold the power button while the light is on. It will blink once for 3 minutes or twice for 9 minutes. For your red light situation, double press the power button while the light is off. It will also start on the last mode you were using thanks to the smart memory. And to cycle through the modes, press and hold the power button to go from red low to red high, red SOS, and back to red low. It's powered by 650 mAh lithium-ion battery that give you up to 10 days on moonlight mode. That's impressive. It's replaceable and rechargeable by magnetic charging via tail cap. You may wonder, can I use it while it's charging? Yes, you can, which means you don't have to worry about runtime anymore. Especially you can use it as a nightstand. With the timer feature, it's perfect. The battery indicator located in the power button to let you know how much juice left and when it's time to recharge it. This tiny powerhouse weighs less than 2 ounces with the battery and just over 2.5 inches long. Easy to forget that you're even wearing it. The headband also got upgraded with a breathable mesh design and a quick release bracket. This lets you use it as a headlamp or as a regular flashlight with a press of a button. You can mount it on your car's hood with the magnetic tail cap if you want to work on your car at night or if you have an emergency. Clip it to your gear with a metal clip, and you can even attach a lanyard. It's versatility on steroid. You can even toss it in your pocket as an EDC with its small size. Its compact aluminum body keeps it tough yet travel friendly. It's IPX8 waterproof, drop resisting up to 1.5 meters, built for muddy trail or a surprise rainstorm. It's gonna be great help if your car ever breaks down in the dark, or if you want a signal for emergency, wanted to run the trail at night, or decided to cook some steak late at night. It's ready for whatever your needs are. And if we compare it to the Perun 2 Mini, it's 14% brighter and lighter, with dual lighting, longer runtime, and better comfort, thanks to its breathable headband and the improved mounting system. Here's what I think about this bad boy. I really enjoy that it has a single button to operate, so there is no messing around trying to figure out how to turn on the mode you want. It's just one button, and that's it. And I love the fact that it has a timer, because sometimes when I'm reading at night, I fall asleep. So to have a timer to turn off after I'm sleeping is a great plus. And for me personally, I use it as a flashlight. I just toss it in my pocket and forget about it. I only use the headband when I'm walking my dog, or if I'm doing a DIY project at night. There's one thing you need to keep in mind if you're new to Olight, that it uses its own charging magnetic base. So you may need to buy a spare one, because it doesn't use a USB-C charging cable. So, should you get one? Heck yeah! If you want a rugged, multi-mode lights that's as flexible as your life, this is it. If you're tired of bringing a headlamp and a flashlight to your camping trip, or having multiple lights while doing DIY projects, then you definitely need this bad boy. You can easily take it off your forehead and use it as a wide-angle flashlight with a click of a button. You can set it on the table thanks to its flat and magnetic bottom, which also lets you attach it to any metal surface. It's great for camping, hiking, mechanics, emergency kit, but if you need more power, check out the full-size Perun 3, 3000 lumens. But if you want something more pocket-friendly, then the Perun 3 Mini is definitely a good choice. What's the one adventure you'll take this light with you? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.